Hey, I'm putting you on game today. I'm putting you on game today because I'm introducing you to the latest retailer who is the fastest growing in the US. And that's Temu, Temu. It's pronounced Temu. And basically, what they do is that they have all the invoices that inventory, sorry, that AliExpress have, but some of their shipments are out of North America and they ship way faster than AliExpress. Some customers even state that they ship faster and the quality of the merchandise is a little bit better than AliExpress. As you could see today here, they're having free shipping for the next 14, 15 hours. Um, and their inventory price is almost better than AliExpress. It's owned by Pindodo, which is one of the bigger media company, the same company that own TikTok. They're the one who own Temu. As you can see, most of these inventory is up to 90% off. The price is just right. Me myself, I've bought a lot of things from them. I've been introducing customers to Temu for a while. Got no complaints about the prices. I mean, the prices are just phenomenal. I could dig a little bit deeper. Um, let's just look at car radio. Some of the prices is just so cheap, it's unbelievable. Look at some of the price for these stereos, $30, and the prices are real. You better believe what you're looking at. So I'm giving you a free shipping coupon. Yes, a free coupon. This coupon is gonna last up to 45 days. It does take a little time for your items to come, so go ahead and shop now. Buy your items right away. If the coupon expires, we're not gonna renew it. These coupons are for up to £5. It'll remove the shipping charge. We want you to, give Timu a try. As you could see, these car radios, the prices are just unbelievable. This is one of the number one items that our customers buy on Timu, but Timu have everything that AliExpress have and more.